way up top, there is a crow. And he's looking around, and there was a hawk flying around above. I'm not sure if they warn animals of predators, but it's been a while since I've been hearing these birds, and I haven't recently made any videos of the objects I've been finding, but I do plan to do that. I've been finding a lot, and it's been a consistent message. There is someone, a lot of the things I've been finding are blue, the color blue. So there is someone who wants to communicate. I believe that's confirmation, but they want to communicate. It could have to do with feelings of romance, or it could be someone that you were romantically involved with, possibly married to, or were going to be married to, or you at least talked about it. So that will be coming. There's the hawk again. That might be a hawk. Oh, look, I think there's two. Hold on, let me... Can you see them? Where are they? Sorry for the bad camera. You see them? Okay. This is a cool video. Alright. Something is going down. And there are people that are paying attention to what you're doing. They're watching. They're paying attention. So be mindful of that, what you